Make unpleasant coolant smells a thing of the past by upgrading your CNC and saying goodbye to the discomfort of lingering odours. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. No more slippery floors or compromised air quality. The MetalMaster MMF20 captures and removes 99.95% of coolant mist, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Tested and trusted by CNC machining professionals, the filtration system has a washable pre-filter that traps large particles and comes with a stainless steel cone filter that's easily removable for cleaning or replacement. It protects your health and the health of your team by reducing airborne particulate matter and the nasty odours. So work comfortably and breathe easy with this ultimate coolant mist filtration kit. More information, visit Hare and Forbes Machinery House, and thank you for watching.